occurs when the exchange of information between two entities includes the use of technology.
Does your son frequently use his gadgets?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, prescribing some medicines. But if still the problem persists, then we will have to operate.
Operation? Why, doctor?
You also know it very well that gadgets radiate very harmful radiations. Excessive use of gadgets have badly affected his eyes.
Okay, doctor.
In early 1881, the Oriental Telephone Company of England set up their exchanges in India in different places like Bombay, Calcutta, Madras and Ahmedabad. On 28 Jan 1882, the first telephone service was established in India with a total